Hello, my wonderful and dear friends, and welcome to another reaction. This time we're going to be reacting to a Shah Rukh Khan movie. It's about time, and it's going to be a classic. It was released back in 2000, and it's starring Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and Amitabh Bachchan. It's Mohabbati. I guess you already guessed it. If you're seeing this on YouTube, you're going to be seeing a cut up version due to copyright. If you wish to have the experience of watching the full film reaction, you can always hit my Patreon. I'll have it linked in the description below. And just bring your version with you. We'll sync up both our versions together. Just don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already so that you can join this wonderful fam and be one of the OG's members. And I'm expecting like amazing songs from this one. I wish to take a trip on a train someday. I never did that. Yes. Okay, do they know each other? I've seen that actor, the one that is sitting down before, but I don't know his name.
Yeah.
And I haven't really seen a full film.
Karan Chaudhary.
So they don't know each other, okay. Crickets, the sounds of the night. Okay, we have a third character. That's Uday Chopra. I know him. It's the same style from Doom 2, I guess. What was that?
Hey guys, Gurukul?
Yeah?
Cool.
You did that with the train? I think you did that with buses.
ये इन तीनों की
Give me a
पहली
handshake.
तब ये खुद भी नहीं जानते थे कि स्टेशन की छोटी सी मुलाकात एक जिंदगी भर की दोस्ती बन
Oh wow. Talk about life-changing meetings. Oh wow, look at that mansion. I love mansions, that style. That's typical 90s movies, music, background music, am I right? Oh, it's like a dormitory of some kind.
Excuse me.
Oh, he's gonna choose.
First come, first up, guys. ये बेड में रहोगे.
I knew it. Smart. I can't choose the top one. I'm afraid of heights. Oh wow, what a view. What is that?
ये गुरुकुल के प्रिंसिपल हैं, the one and only
Mr. Narayan Shankar.
Is it? I knew that it would be him. Wow. I think it's so fitting for him to be a principal. Like discipline. That like intimidating, not in a bad way. I've seen that uniform before in another movie if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, he doesn't have to say anything, just like his presence imposes silence.
परंपरा
He doesn't need to.
प्रतिष्ठा
Oh!
अनुशासन
I remember Vicky Kaushal saying that in his episode in Coffee with Karen. Now I know where it's from.
ये वो आदर्श हैं जिससे हम आपका आने वाला कल बनाते हैं। आज आप सबको उस कामयाब वंश का हिस्सा बनने का मौका दिया जा रहा है।
Seems like a very esteemed school.
हम आप
An
सबको
old
इस देश
one.
के चारों कोनों से चुन चुन कर यहाँ लाए हैं इस विश्वास के साथ कि आप में वो काबिलियत है जो एक कामयाब इंसान बनने की
Yeah,
होनी
so they
चाहिए।
were chosen, not ordinary students.
आज आपने इस गुरुकुल में कदम रखकर बाहर की दुनिया अपने पीछे छोड़ दी है। अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ की परंपरा और अनुशासन को तोड़ता हुआ पकड़ा गया तो वो उसी वक्त यहाँ से निकाल दिया जाएगा। और इतना
So
याद रखिए कि
strict,
एक बार
yeah.
आप यहां से निकाले गए तो हमारे साथ इस देश के सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस के दरवाजे भी आपके लिए
Wow. Mohammadi means love, right? Aditya Chopra, okay. He did the screenplay and he directed it. I did not know that.
Cool.
विकी ये मेरी फोटो है यार।
वो तो मैं देख रहा हूँ यार, पर तुम्हारे साथ लेडी इन रेड कौन?
अरे कोई नहीं यार, वापस दो यार।
Sameer has a girl.
Oh.
विकी क्या कर रहे हो?
Oh shit.
That's really childish, but like it can be fun as long as he's not like
Got to है.
annoying his friend, I guess.
जल्दी आ, आना, कुछ दिखाता हूँ. Come.
Oh really?
विकी
ये कौन है? ये रोमियो एंड जूलियट, हीर रांझा, सोनी महिवाल, समीर और
संजना। और जैसा तुम सोच रहे हो वैसा कुछ नहीं है। ये सिर्फ मेरी एक अच्छी दोस्त है। एक्चुअली दोस्त थी।
Oh, what happened?
संजू मेरे बचपन की दोस्त थी। We were best friends।
Oh,
हम दोनों एक दूसरे के पड़ोसी थे।
one of the best kind of friendships.
ये फोटो एक फन फेयर में खिंचवाई थी हमने। उसका बर्थडे था उस दिन। और अगले ही दिन
The fact that he has her picture means it's a very important relationship to him. Oh, that's really sad. I love his necklace.
6 साल पहले की बात है। 14 साल का था मैं।
Well, I bet they'll meet again.
क्योंकि बहुत वक्त गुजर चुका है और मैं नहीं जानता कि आज वो मुझे पहचानेगी या नहीं, मुझसे मिलना चाहेगी या नहीं। तो अगर हमारी किस्मत में मिलना लिखा है
ओए समीर, तू तो इस लड़की से बहुत प्यार करता है रे।
अरे नहीं यार।
Maybe he doesn't realize it. Yeah, sometimes this kind of friendship can turn into love, mind you.
Shit, come on, Ricky. Let's go.
Oh no, he's already late.
Hey, who's that? Hey, अरे भागता कहाँ है? भागता कहाँ है? अरे तेरी तो मैं
Okay. We know where that is going with that music. The intention is forgotten. Oh, so she's from the other school. Oh, come on, leave her hand. He's not letting go of that jacket, obviously. Oh, I love that transition. I love fall leaves.
इसका क्या दाम है? 1.5 रुपया कैसे?
Is that her voice? But it must have changed or not.
मैं कुछ नहीं सुनना चाहती। देना या नहीं? साफ-साफ हाँ या ना बोलो।
Actually, that's a strong connection right there. After all these years and he still recognized her.
Please hold this. Thank you.
तो अगर हमारी किस्मत में मिलना लिखा है तो ऐसे ही कहीं मुलाकात हो जाए।
That's so romantic.
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। मुझे 2.5 रुपया में चाहिए। देना हो तो दो।
वैसे 1.5 रुपया 2.5 रुपया से कम।
That's cute. It looks like maybe she's not used to doing this, even though she's trying to make it look like she's an expert. That's cute. That's a meet cute right there, even though it's not their first meeting. I was waiting for that moment. He already had it.
समीर शर्मा?
हाँ जी।
She really looks like she's like from this era. She doesn't look like it's like the early 2000s, like her fashion, her look. I love that they're doing this transition thing with the fall leaves. What is your story though?
ये अलीगढ़ से आने वाली ट्रेन आमतौर पर
I
कितने
still haven't established anything that is typical of his character yet.
गालिबन बस
Or what is his deal. Okay, we have another meeting in the making.
खान बाबा ये लड़की कौन है?
किरण बिटिया है, अक्सर यहाँ आया करती है।
What is her story, I wonder? It looked like a scene or like a painting, like her next to that tree. The wind, the music, the background music. Okay, we get it.
ए समीर, क्या बोलता है तू? हाँ, क्या वो जिंदगी भर तेरी एक सिर्फ अच्छी दोस्त बनकर रह जाएगी?
नहीं,
Oh,
बहुत साल दोस्त बनकर गुजार लिए। अब मुझे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
That's the spirit, my boy.
well, things have changed obviously after he's seen her
मैं उसे
after
खूबसूरत
those
बात
years.
समझकर भुला दूंगा।
क्या? ये क्या लड़कियों जैसी बातें कर रहा है यार?
तुम लोग शायद भूल गए हो,
That's not.
लेकिन मुझे नारायण शंकर का हर शब्द साफ साफ याद है। गुरुकुल के नियमों को तोड़ा तो निकाल दिए जाओगे।
Okay, now I get something about his personality. He is driven and he wants to focus on
पहले भी कर
his.
चुके हैं और फिर कर सकते हैं।
बहुत मशहूर किस्सा है। बहुत साल पहले यहाँ पर एक स्टूडेंट था, कहते थे बहुत काबिल था।
Would that be Shah Rukh Khan? Just a guess.
गुरुकुल का एक नियम तोड़ दिया, मोहब्बत कर बैठा।
Oh, that entails some.
देखे बिना मिले उसे निकाल दिया। यहाँ से निकाले गए तो फिर कहीं पर एडमिशन नहीं मिलती।
No, no. So it was true. Yeah, it's him. It's him.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम राज आर्यन है।
Okay, so Raj again. Okay.
आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि ऐसी जगह पर किसी तरह की आवाज नहीं होनी चाहिए?
आई एम सॉरी सर।
Nice.
आपको एक मौका देता हूं। अगर आप कुछ स्टूडेंट्स इकट्ठा कर पाए जो पढ़ाई के बाद आपका संगीत सीखना चाहते हैं तो आपकी नौकरी पक्की।
नो प्रॉब्लम।
Good, at least he's given him a chance. I think he'll be able to achieve that. Easy. I love Uday Chopra, by the way. He has such an easy charm about him. That style of tying the blouse or like putting it on your shoulders like that, that is so 90s.
संगीत की सबसे बड़ी
Yeah,
प्रेरणा
it does mean love. I agree.
मोहब्बत और संगीत का बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है, क्योंकि दोनों का जन्म दिल से होता है।
I love that.
सिर्फ अपने दिल की आवाज को सुनो।
I love that advice. No way. Okay, that's not gonna get you on a good footing with the principal. Oh, that was easy. I love that he's giving them like life lessons and
दुनिया
it's
में
just
कितनी है नफरतें, फिर भी दिलों में है चाहतें। जाओ कह दो इस जहां से, इस ज़मीं से, आसमां से, रुक ना सकेंगे, अब ये मोहब्बत है।
what a perfect line for Shah Rukh Khan to say of all people. Okay, are we gonna go for a song? Is he going to enjoy himself every day?
Excuse me?
He found her.
जल्दी से अपनी बाहें मुझ पे डाल दो, वरना मैं मिस मोनिका को बता दूंगा कि तुम सुबह सुबह गुरुकुल में क्या कर रहे हो।
Okay, it worked, but that's not a nice second meeting. You're not going to impress her with this tactic. Oh, I love the green that she's wearing. Oh, you never exchanged names with her until now?
आपने अपना नाम क्या बताया था?
आपको हर बार एक ही जगह चोट कैसे लग जाती है?
He was so transparent.
शायद आजकल मैं कहीं और हूँ और मेरा ध्यान कहीं
Oh, that's a nice leeway. That's clever, actually. I didn't see it coming.
कुछ रात पहले मैंने आपको स्टेशन पे देखा था। आप अकेली खड़ी थी।
I'm curious too.
आपने स्टेशन पर खड़ी उस लड़की को तो देख लिया।
Don't tell me she has a twin sister. Oh. Oh, right. Yeah, right. I didn't notice as well, even though it was.
मैं अपने पति का इंतजार कर रही थी।
Oh no, that's a bummer. Okay, I did not see that coming. It's obvious that she's clueless.
Okay.
She still has
See you.
संजू,
the friendship feeling about him.
हैप्पी रोज।
Oh. Oh, that's disappointing. I feel bad for him.
हो क्योंकि वो किसी और से प्यार करती है। वेरी गुड।
कुछ लोग मोहब्बत तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन मोहब्बत पाते नहीं। हर किसी की किस्मत आप जैसी नहीं होती सर।
What do you know about his luck?
दुआ करता हूँ करण की मुझ जैसी किस्मत किसी की भी।
Oh,
तुम तीनों की तो
that doesn't sound good. Oh, I wonder what his story is. Now I want to know his story.
उसे देख सकता है, उसकी हंसी सुन सकता है, उससे बातें कर सकता है।
Did she pass away?
मैं तो इतना भी नहीं कर सकता। क्यों नहीं सर? क्योंकि जिस लड़की से मैं मोहब्बत करता हूँ।
Yeah, I guess there's much. Oh, that's tragic.
I'm sorry sir.
No, don't be. I'm not. मैंने उससे मोहब्बत करने से पहले ये शर्त तो नहीं रखी थी कि वो मुझसे ज्यादा जिएगी। मोहब्बत में शर्तें नहीं होती, तो अफसोस भी नहीं होना।
Oh, that's powerful. What a quote.
अगर आज वो मेरे साथ नहीं, मैं आज भी उससे उतनी ही मोहब्बत करता हूँ।
True love right there. Oh my god, imagine having a teacher like that. I'm loving the film so far.
हर मोड़ आसान नहीं होता।
So that's what she said to him. Oh wow, it stuck with him. Is it Ashwarya? Yes! Oh no! That was so unexpected. I did not expect that she would be just a memory in the film or just in flashbacks. And her character would be dead. Okay, that's a twist. I love them together. They look so compatible. They have such a great chemistry too. Oh, they look beautiful together.
किरण बिटिया को पहली बार मैंने उसी दिन मैंने किरण बिटिया को
Oh no.
हंसते हुए देखा क्योंकि उसी रात उसके पति को घर छोड़कर
And didn't come back?
बॉर्डर पर बहुत तनाव हो गया था और वह हिंदुस्तान की हवाई फौज में पायलट था।
Oh wow.
नई नवेली दुल्हन को छोड़कर चला गया ड्यूटी पर।
So is he missing?
बार बार यहाँ
Oh, that's beautiful.
सिर्फ इस उम्मीद पे कि शायद किसी गाड़ी से उतरकर
Oh, that is tragic.
उसका पति इस दुनिया में नहीं रहा।
But she won't accept it.
एक इंसान की जिद और खुशी के लिए वो है उसके पति का बाप मेजर जनरल खन्ना।
Okay.
एक रिटायर्ड
Oh, I know this actor. Oh my god. From DDLJ. Simran's father. Oh, she's always with him. Just like you said. I love Holi. Holi is my favorite festival of all the Indian festivals. Not that I've seen many, but it's just so fun. I think it's a tradition that everybody, and I did see sometimes that some of the people are not all in white, but I think it's a tradition for people to be in white because of the colors. It will look best with it as a canvas for all the colors. By the way, something else that I've noticed, all the female actresses, they look like models with their figures. I wouldn't be surprised if they were models. or like Miss India or something like that. Oh, it's so sad that he's the only one alone. I guess for someone like him, who loves with all his heart, it's not an easy thing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, but it's so sad though. Oh.
Oh, Vicky, you're so fine. You're so fine. You blew my mind. Hey, Vicky.
Hey, Vicky.
Okay. Is she really waiting for him though? I guess that would be the only reason, because if she's here to take something, she would have taken it and gone by now.
Yeah, what?
मेरे दोस्तों को लगता है कि मैंने उस दिन कैफे में तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की थी
You were.
और मुझे तुमसे माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
ओह, और तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मुझे लगता है कि वो लोग ठीक कह रहे थे। I'm sorry।
It's okay.
Okay, good for her.
आपको ये भी लगता है कि तुम भी गलत थे और तुम्हें भी माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
He was.
और तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मुझे लगता है कि वो लोग ठीक कह रहे थे।
Okay. I'm sorry.
Good for you. I love that.
बराबर।
हिसाब तो बराबर नहीं हुआ अब तक,
क्यों नहीं?
क्योंकि तुमने उस दिन मुझे थप्पड़ मारा था।
He won't do it. No way.
ठीक है, तो मैं भी once and for all ये खत्म करना चाहती हूँ।
He won't do it. Is he going to do what I think he's going to do? Oh, that was so tender.
Actually, रहने दो।
Okay, someone is falling in love here. So childish. Okay, my friends, this is the end of part 1. Hope to see you in part 2. Until then, take care, be safe, much love.